First, let us show you the road. This is the road that leads directly to our hotel, and it connects us with the foreshore road. The foreshore road is approximately 60 meters away from here. This is our hotel. Now as we enter the hotel, you can see the beautiful garden. This is the front view of hotel, offering a pleasant and welcoming atmosphere. Now let us take you inside our hotel. The name of the hotel is Kashmir Holiday Resort. This is the main entrance of the hotel. This is the now let us take inside our hotel. Here is the reception area, and this is our this side is our restaurant. This is our restaurant. This is the buffet area. The hotel has multiple floors, first, second and the third floors. We will be using the lift, and now we are going up to the top floor. This is the top floor. You can see this is the foreshore road, and also we can see Dal Lake.